Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to work with formulas in Monday.com using General Caster. This is a powerful way to automate calculations across your boards, making your workflow more efficient and saving you time on manual updates. Let's dive right in. First up, you'll need to install the General Caster app. Head over to your Monday.com workspace and look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, navigate to the left sidebar and select Apps Marketplace. This is where you'll find all the integrations and apps available for Monday.com. Once you're in the marketplace, use the search bar to type in General Caster. You'll see the General Caster app tile appear in the results, so go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the app's details page where you can learn more about its features. When you're ready, click the Install App button located in the top right corner. You'll then be prompted to choose your workspace where you want this app installed. Select your preferred workspace and click Install. Monday.com may ask you to confirm permissions at this point, which is standard practice to ensure the app can function properly within your workspace. If you're prompted to select your board during this process, go ahead and choose the board where you want to use formulas. Now that the app is installed, it's time to create your formula integration. Navigate to the board where you want to set up your formula. At the top right of your board, you'll see an Integrate button. Click on it to access the Integrations menu. Here, you'll need to scroll through the available options or use the search function to find the General Caster banner. Once you spot it, click on it to view the available recipes. From the list of recipes, select the one that says, "When any column changes, perform formula and cast into column." This recipe is the key to automating your calculations based on changes in your board. If prompted, click Authorize to give General Caster the necessary permissions to work with your board data. Next comes the exciting part where you'll actually build your formula. Click on the Formula field and select your first number column from the dropdown. Then type in a plus sign to indicate addition. After that, select your second number column that you want to add to the first one. This creates a simple addition formula that will calculate automatically. Now you need to tell Monday.com where to display this result. Click on the column dropdown and select your sum column, which is where the calculated result will appear. Once you've configured everything, click Create Automation to finalize your setup. Before you consider this done, it's crucial to test your automation. Make a change to one of the number columns you included in your formula and watch as the sum column updates automatically. This confirms that General Caster is working correctly and your formula integration is live. And there you have it, you've successfully set up automated formulas in Monday.com using General Caster. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.